Hello, it's Natasha. Happy to see you here. Here's another video in my Clean and Simple Christmas series. So a series of videos where I share ideas for clean and simple, quick and easy cards that are easy to mass produce and not easy to mail because they're not bulky and not dimensional, or they can make lovely sets for people around you to give as gifts. So today I'll share with you an idea for a set of cards, monochromatic cards, but in different colors. So I went through my stash for different colors of cardstock and matching inks. Well, in the perfect world, you will have cardstock and inks from one company. I don't live in a perfect world, so I play with what I have, right? So I have some cardstock. It's from different companies. I don't even know from which. And I have Catherine Pooler inks. So I tried to find matching inks, and in some colors I have two colors of inks. For example, for this pink I have Party Dress and Be Mine, or for this purple I have Pixie Dust and Sweet 16. But don't worry if you don't have two matching inks in different shades. I'll show you how to use what you have. So I have my inks and my cardstock ready. For snow, I'm going to do some masking and some stamping of snow. I'm going to use Twilight ink. So I decided to go for gray to offset the colors I'm going to have on my cards. And again, I'll show you how to make your snow not really gray, but sort of white gray. I have also prepared panels of white cardstock. I cut an inch off each panel, so it is 4¼ by 4½ inches. But don't throw away the strips that you cut off, because they're perfect for sentiments and you can use them later for some other projects. So I have my cardstock ready, my inks ready, my panels ready. Now, the stamps that I'm going to use Catherine Pooler stamps. These are stamps from the new holiday release. This is Christmas Tree Farm stamp set and coordinating dies. And this is Holiday Mix set, which has lovely holiday themed sentiments. This is an older set, but I'm going to use it today as well. So I have the stamps that I'm going to use on acrylic blocks, and so let's jump right in. Okay, so here are the cards I made. So they are all quite flat, not dimensional, so easy to mail. And you can obviously add some sequins or some jewels or maybe Nuva drops or some other ways to embellish this. I made this card a bit more dimensional. I adhered the white panel onto foam tape, and I stamped and die cut the biggest tree with the coordinating dies, and I again foam mounted it. I don't know if you can see it. So if you want to add a little bit more dimension to your cards, you can also make matching envelopes. You can take a matching envelope and just stamp the images, or you can take a white envelope and again stamp the matching images for the card. So thank you very much for your time. I hope you're inspired, and I hope you like this idea. And have a happy day. Enjoy some crafty time, and see you again soon. Bye.